JD Cap 26 just for shares and hobbies, and just to clean the minerals off your dishwasher inside and clean it all up, make it look like new. Use white vinegar from Walmart in 2 bowls. Put 1 bowl on the top rack and 1 bowl on the bottom rack. I'll show you the results afterwards, what it looks like when it's done. Stay tuned. So let's look inside and see how this turned out. And wow, spanking clean. Oh, sorry about that, guys. A lot of steam coming out. Look how clean that came out. Okay, it got rid of all the scaling and grease, especially the grease down where the impeller is. This one doesn't have an impeller to cut up, particles, but it decreases that part where it lets the water out. So there's 2 bowls in there of vinegar. There's 1 on the top, and that's just water right now. So this has got to cool down. And that's the video for today. So thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. That, guys, I do want to add that you have to run the dishwasher again afterwards and get that vinegar scent out of there. So that's what we're doing now. Bye for now.